According to the EPA, your indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside your home. Ed's Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, Electric is specially trained to analyze your home environment. A Bryant Evolution air purifier can capture up to 95% of allergens and particles. It can even kill or make inactive 99% of the select bacteria and viruses it traps in its filter. Call today to schedule a free consultation with Ed's Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, Electric. Ed's and Bryant, doing whatever it takes.